Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Zemanek, and our question this time is from the great state of Washington. He writes, why do we get baptized once, but we have to take communion all the time? This is a fantastic question. I'm glad that you asked, because this gets to the very heart of what these powerful symbols represent in our life. Both communion and water baptism have their roots in the book of Exodus, where God's people were in bondage to Egypt, and He led them through the Red Sea into freedom, and then He gave them manna every day to feed them. And so here is the symbolism. Just as we are born once into the freedom that comes because of a relationship with Jesus, John chapter 3 would be a great place to look at this. We are water baptized once as a sign we're part of this new kingdom. But we need to eat often. Just like they walked through the Red Sea one time, but they were fed every day, we walk through into this relationship with Christ one time, but we need to be fed every day. And so we take communion often as a reminder that while we are free from our old life, we're only going to stay alive in the new life by a relationship with Jesus Christ. Well, those are my thoughts. And remember, because of Jesus, life is good today.